Okay, listen up. Let me tell you something most people won't tell you. A vision board is not some arts and crafts project. It's a blueprint, a visual contract between you and your future. But 90% of people make them the wrong way. They stick on Lamborghini pictures, private jets, dream houses, and then forget all about it. That's not a vision board. That's a wish list. A real vision board works like a GPS for your brain. It tells your subconscious, this is where I'm headed. But here's the catch. The board must be built the right way, step by step with purpose. Not just dream big, but dream clearly. Let's break it down. Step 1. Clarity. What do you actually want? Not what looks good on Instagram. What makes you wake up excited? Most people skip this. They copy other people's dreams. But your vision must be yours. Close your eyes. Where do you live? What's your daily routine? Who's around you? Write it all down. Every detail. Because clarity creates magnetism. Step 2. Categories. Don't just focus on money. Break your vision into areas. Health, wealth, relationships, spirituality, career, freedom. This turns it from fantasy into focus. You're designing your whole life, not just a paycheck. Step 3. Find the visuals. Here's where it gets powerful. Your brain loves images. Find pictures that feel like the future you. Not stock photos, images that hit you in the gut. Make you say, that's me. It could be a photo of someone climbing a mountain, a kitchen like the one you want to cook in, a couple smiling with the energy you want in your relationship. Every image must be intentional. Every image must trigger belief. Step 4. Placement. Don't just slap everything on a page. Group images by category. Create a visual storyboard of your future. This is not a collage. This is a strategy. Put your face on the board if you want. Customize it. Own it. Step 5. Environment. Where you put the board matters. Somewhere you'll see it daily, not hidden in your closet. Put it on your wall, on your desk, even your phone lock screen. The more often you see it, the deeper it sinks into your mind. Your habits start shifting without you even realizing it. Step 6. Emotion. This is the secret sauce. Every time you look at the board, feel it, visualize it, step into it. What does it smell like? What's the temperature of the air? What music is playing in that moment? The brain can't tell the difference between real and vividly imagined. The more real you make it, the faster you attract it. Step 7. Action. A vision board without action is just decoration. Every week, pick one image. Take one real step toward it. Want that body? Book the gym class? Want that business? Send that email? Want that house? Start saving, even if it's $5. Your brain connects the dots when you move. Here's what most people miss. The vision board is not magic. You are. It's not supposed to manifest your future out of thin air. It's supposed to activate you, to remind you who you're becoming, to pull you out of distraction and self-doubt, and steer you back to your mission every single day. If you want real change, build your vision board with intention. Use it like a daily ritual. Let it guide your thoughts, your choices, your schedule. And over time, your life will start to match the vision. Not because of luck, but because you trained your brain to aim, and you walk toward it every day, no matter how small the steps. That's how vision boards actually work. Not as magic, but as a map. Now, let's talk about why most people fail to manifest their dreams. Why do 99% of people never get what they truly want out of life? Well, there are billions of humans walking around with incredible potential. We all have big dreams, desires, and goals, right? So why do so many of us end up stuck, frustrated, and disappointed? Why do so many dreams die? What causes this gap between our aspirations and our reality? There are multiple reasons, but we're going to break down 3 of the biggest ones right now. Reason number 1, lack of clarity or knowing what you truly want. Have you ever thought about this? How clear are you really about what you want? Most of us have a vague idea. Maybe you know you want more money, better health, or true love. But when you dig deeper, it gets fuzzy. How much money? What kind of health? Which type of love? Details matter. The universe doesn't hear vague requests. It's not a genie in a bottle. This sounds simple, but it's crucial. If you don't know exactly what you want, how can you expect the universe to deliver it? It's like using a GPS without an address. You'll end up lost. To fix this, you need to get crystal clear on every tiny detail. And I mean it. Where do you want to live? What's your ideal day look like? What kind of person do you want to become? How much money do you want? And by when? Dig deep and write it all down. Get specific. Paint a detailed picture of your dream life. When you're crystal clear, you create a magnet. Things and opportunities will start appearing to draw you closer to your vision. But let's be real. Sometimes we don't even know what we want because we haven't experienced it yet. In those cases, you have to visualize and imagine what it might feel like. Imagine getting home after a workout. What would that look like? Picture the details. How does the house feel? What do you eat next? What do you do afterwards? Who's around you? Experience it in your mind. This sends signals to your subconscious. It starts associating those feelings with your life. Eventually, your subconscious will start recognizing patterns and attracting experiences that align with those emotions. Reason number 2, lack of categories. A lot of us tend to focus everything into one thing: money. If you think having more money will solve all your problems, you're only half right. More money can bring more freedom, more options, and more power, sure. But what does that mean for your actual life? You need to break down your vision into different categories: health, wealth, relationships, spirituality, career, personal growth, fun and adventure, and freedom. Look at each area of your life and ask yourself, what do I truly want here? Define it, visualize it, and find images that represent that category. This keeps you from accidentally putting all your focus and intention into just money. And yes, more money may help you achieve some of those things, but it won't cover all of them. And besides, when you categorize your goals, you make it easier to take action on them. It's way more manageable than one giant, overwhelming goal. You can focus on one category at a time and then move to the next. Reason number 3, not using the right images. People often use the wrong images on their vision board. Either they use generic stock photos of people smiling or landscapes they don't feel connected to, or they put images of things they don't actually want, like a beach house in the Maldives just because it looks nice. But your vision board shouldn't be filled with images that just look pretty. They should be images that make you feel something, images that evoke the emotions and sensations of the life you want to create. Look at the images you've chosen. Do they make you feel excited, happy, peaceful, or energized? Or do they just look nice but don't really resonate with you? If you're not sure, get rid of them and find new ones. It's also important to use images that reflect your personality and taste. Think about the style of your home, the clothes you like to wear, the food you enjoy eating. Try to find images that fit that aesthetic. Your vision board should feel like an extension of you, not a random collection of things that look pretty. Remember, your vision board is more than just a decoration. It's a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. By following these tips, you'll create a vision board that aligns with your deepest desires and sets you on the path to achieving them.